The Centers for Disease Control has changed its protocol for hospitals all across the country, and that includes right here in Idaho.
Yeah, the changes come after a healthcare worker in Dallas contracted the Ebola virus. Lauren Johnson is in the studio and has the story tonight.
Roland and Michelle, currently there are only 4 U.S. hospitals with top-level biocontainment units, but the CDC would like to have at least one hospital in every state that feels they could manage the disease. At St. Alphonsus, they're in constant contact with the Center for Disease Control.
Guidance we're getting from CDC seems to be changing.
The CDC is reconsidering infection protocol after a Dallas healthcare worker tested positive for the virus. It includes seminars and additional trainings for healthcare workers, but also makes sure proper rooms to handle infectious disease are ready.
And the anteroom is where they can put their protective equipment on, their personal protective equipment, or PPE as they call it. So it's kind of a transitionary room from the actual patient area into the general population area.
This is one of the rooms that we feel that we would be putting these patients in, that we're building our plans around.
So what will happen is that the air will come in, it will go through the ventilation system after it goes across the patient, through a filter, and then outside. It's not recirculated back into the hospital.
At St. Alphonsus, they also have a negative airflow room in their emergency room. If anyone were to show symptoms of an infectious disease while in the ER, they could be treated there.
Step by step, brick by brick, you work on one area until you're fine with it and then start spreading it.
At St. Alphonsus, they say they're not working alone, but that it's a joint effort to be prepared.
We're working with Idaho Department of Health and Welfare, and we're also in continual communication with St. Luke's, so that we're all working, we're all trying to come to the same standard to protect our patient, our employees, our facility, and our community.
The CDC has guidelines on how to protect healthcare workers and those working with Ebola patients on their website. In studio, Lauren Johnson, Fox 9 on your side.